Hello guys, today we will be playing Battle Cat. We are going to be playing the March Gauntlet, and I have already completed some, so we'll just finish the rest. There are some conditions where you have to do things, and we could get a free rich cat. That's good. So I'm just going to go complete the level. Okay. Bee bear. Okay. So there's gonna be something spawning in very soon. Please be a good enemy. What happens if I just send this guy out? Oh no! Why is Gabriel here? No! Please don't kill him. I hate Aku things. Yes, boom. That's what you get, you bull. That's what you get, you bozo. Okay, so I have Ramen Cat, which could deal with the aliens. Alien Hippo, which is actually very easy to limit. The Angel Hippo, which is very easily beaten because of my Ramen Cat, which is immune to Angel. Never mind, maybe I disagree with myself. Okay, so I'm gonna go send out one of my Ubers now. Boom. Now they broke the barrier, and now the Aku barrier. So now we are going to just defeat everything else with I sent out Swimmer Cat for better things. And we beat the hippo, not yet. And there's another hippo sending out, wow, this is probably the worst thing that has ever happened. Come on, boom. Okay, so we killed the first hippo. Now we're gonna kill the second one. Okay, I can't deploy anymore. Okay. Sent out external advance. So now we just gotta complete this level. Nothing happens. Nothing will happen, right? Yes! We beat the second hippo. And now we will be hitting the base, which I think a bear is gonna spawn. So we are going to just wait. Okay, so now bears have spawned. The bear has spawned. Okay, I can't send out my Uber. Yes, I can now. Okay, we're losing very quickly. Okay, so my Ubers are gonna deal with it. I'm an Uber carrier. No judging. Okay. No, my first Uber got knocked back. Okay. Okay, send out my third Uber. I'm at my fourth Uber. So now. Okay, now I've knocked out all the peons, and now it's just time to beat the bear. Boom. Perfect timing. Now we could send out Bahamut. Okay, and that shockwave just knocked back the bear. Okay, we won, guys. It's obviously true. Okay. No way. We might actually lose. Just joking. Goodbye, bear. What did you just do? Yeah, the bear is definitely dying out, but goodbye. Bye! What? It's not dying. Yes, goodbye. Boom. Okay. I don't know who just defeated that. Well, it's game over now. There's nothing to save you. So the bad thing is that the max of deployable cats is 10 an hour. We have 5 strong cats. And we can't have much, what's it called? We won't have much meat shields to put, which is really bad. We could do a rich cat now. And bondage awakens. Okay. Okay, so we're halfway there, and we could get a free platinum shard, which is able, if you get 8 of them, you're able to get a platinum ticket. Okay. So nothing's spawning in yet. I know a Aku, Doge, and a Gabriel's coming. So I'm just gonna go save up some money. Okay, Gabriel spawned. First thing to do. Boom. Now we take. Thank you, healer. No, healer. Okay. As you can see, it is the Mercstoria collab where you could get really great stuff. Okay. They're breaking our base. I'm just gonna send out some quick stuff. Okay. Oh no, and hippo spawn. I have to save us. Okay, run. Okay. Just another Gabriel. How many do they spawn? We have to finish this today. I am not joking. We have to finish this today. Okay, I can't deploy anymore. Never mind, I can. It lied to me. Okay, so now I sent out Black Butler, which will deal with shockwaves and freezing black. Okay. Can't deploy anymore. So I almost killed the hippo, and he's dead. Soon. You better not knock him. Okay. So we killed the hippo, and now we're just waiting for the bear to spawn. As soon as we hit the base. Okay, we are going to hit the base very soon. Hit the base. Okay. I'm gonna hit the base now. Okay. Now the bear's gonna spawn anytime. There we go. Okay. Okay. Boom. Our shockwave knocked back a lot of stuff. I don't think I could send out Bahumu right now. Never mind, I can't. But now, we don't have any more. We can't send out any more swimmers because we don't have any more meat shields. That's the most important thing in the game. Everyone has one. Manic Eraser, but I don't have that yet because I can't be a crazy cat stage yet. I'll do it soon. Okay. We're almost done. So we could get a free platinum shard. Okay, we just got knocked back, and then we knock him back again using the. Okay, Bahamut did most of the job. Thank you, Bahamut. You saved my life. No, okay, our first Uber died. Our third Uber died. Okay, this is going bad. I think we're gonna lose anytime sooner. This is very hard. We're still doing it. We got this. Okay, we need healer here. Come on, healer. That did nothing. Okay, I think we're gonna lose on this one. Boom. He missed. Wow. Okay, he got knocked back. Reach him, please. Let the Uber do the damage. Okay, we almost killed the bear. We got enough time. Good thing he slowed it. So now he had more time. No. You will pay. Okay, and now the swimmer's gonna deal the last damage. Okay, no, maybe not. Never mind, yes. Never mind, not. So, right now, it's time to oof him now, since there's no peons except for this Gabriel, which is now dead. And Wait, and we are not finished yet. Okay. So now he finished it off, and now I'm gonna send out our black butler to deal more damage faster to the base, since it's very fast and it deals lots of damage, and it has a shockwave. Okay, that was perfect timing. Wow. Okay. So we're breaking the base now, and now we could get extra platinum shard to hopefully get uber soon. I don't. Okay. Okay, now that we've got a platinum shard, we can almost. Come on. Okay. We're gonna now go get a Catamin B, which is really useful for Catamin B stages and for your Gamato. Okay, so now, I think for now I'm going to put, since I'm lazy, I'm gonna put speed up. Ah. Okay, so now, okay, we're losing. No, the middle hippo's killing it. Not the middle hippo, the alien hippo's killing everything. Okay, we almost lost. We almost lost. Big alert, big alert. Okay, we have 1,750 HP left. Please no, please no. Alright. This will be very useful for my Gamato. Why does everyone say it's Gamatoto? It sounds so weird. Guys, can you correct me in the comments if I'm wrong? Okay, this is going very bad. I'm sorry for the pronunciations. Okay, I lost, sadly. I don't know how this is possible. I can't beat this. Okay. So now we'll be okay, so I think this is so hard. Oh, okay. So I don't think I need a speed up. That's the whole reason I lost, because of speed up. Guys, can you tell me in comments what types of cat's eye levels there are? I cannot find any when I just got user rank level 1,600 yesterday. Okay. So we will restart this. Okay, I have to save up more money. Okay, freeze them. Crit them for no reason because crits look cool. Oh no. Oh no. They're hitting the base now. I think I might lose again. Oh Oh, see that. I'm just gonna go get a different loadout, right, real quick, and then, so I'm just gonna go make an alien loadout real quick. I definitely need healer. I don't need merc. I think I do need only 3 Ubers, yeah, for the bear. And let's see if we have any angel enemies. Okay. 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 Fed up with making toast every day, one up by firing bread at Dad's face might slow angelic enemies' area attack. Sometimes weakens non-metal enemies. Okay. I don't know if I should do any of these. Okay. So. Okay, so, I don't think I should get any of these, actually. Let's see if I don't, what my freezes are. Okay, I don't think I need any of this. So, okay, so I thought of weakening enemies. Okay, Onyomi Cat is good. And isn't it this weekend red? No, only. Okay, so let's see our cat combos do anything. Okay, so. Okay, so I think that's all we need, and we'll just get some extra, like Mythical Titan Cat. I'll need him. And we'll also need some far damage. Something that could outrange that bear. Alright. So. Okay, so now we'll do one more level 6 to get some Catamin B. Right. Now we gotta time okay, I timed it. Not that great, but okay. Onyomi Cat is gonna do the trick. We start spamming. We should get. We'll get brainwashed out here. Okay, so now he got weakened. Okay, so now I'm gonna send out Mythical Titan Cat. And now we just got to hold our money for quite a while. Okay, I think this is bad. Okay, we almost killed the hippo. Okay. Okay. No. Okay. We're losing, but we got our first Uber out. Okay, now we're gonna deal massive damage. Now that we have our Uber. Not like a massive damage ability, but it's gonna have a lot of damage. Okay. So we're just gonna go stack up some dragons. Like at least 3 because it's gonna waste our what's that called? Oh, it's gonna waste our max of deployable cats, which is 10. Okay, so okay, we're losing. Okay, oh no. Okay, but the dragons that we stacked up helped a lot. Okay, now we got our second Uber out. Okay, I think the other dragon cat died, but now, okay, oh okay, this is very bad. Okay, we don't have enough meat shields out, okay, so we have to. Okay, we knocked back the bear once. Have to save up money just in case all our Uber dies. So just spam some meat shields through. Okay, that dragon better survive. No! Okay, he got knocked back once, but that doesn't mean he's dead. He's still not dead. Wow. No, now he's dead. Okay. Okay, we gotta get another dragon out here. Okay, make sure to clear all these peons. Okay. First one died, but I think we're dead. Yep, we're all dead. You have to at least knock them back once. Okay, guys. I guess I'll see you next time when I get way better and I learn about more of battle cats. So I'll see you today, and I'll post later. So goodbye. See you guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. So I'll see you. Goodbye.